Hello, I hope I'm audible and let's start our trading for the day. By the way, gold is on halt, so we won't be able to trade gold or any other commodity. So we are strict with indices only. So all we can trade is indices. I am looking for shorts. Let's see if we can get any short model here. Then we will short the market. Well, I am in BGF 100 account. Last day I made like $900 of loss, so I will try to recover that today and not get any profits, but just recover the $1,000. Market can come all the way down here, like in the ACS session. This would be a target for the day for this session. I mean, this would be target for the session, and there is no inverted fair value gaps here. That's a good indication for us to sort the market right now. So I'm just waiting for a model to be confirmed. Well, we have volume imbalance. We have just left this discount zone. Let's see. Red. Sorry, I will just come back in 1 minute. I have a issue here, so please wait. So we are back, and we have just seen this push up in this market. Thankfully, we didn't short here. Uh, I think the market was trying to come to all the way up to this breaker to short here, short from here. This is breaker short. Who was expecting this kind of move today? Sell above the high. I don't think market will come back again here and TP all the way to this liquidity. Let's increase. Let's increase this to $693 of loss, $1,000 of profit. can take this short $93 in losses, or we have to yet, or we have, do we have any kind of breakers here in the low? We have to also observe that, so we don't have any kind of breakers here as well. How much of big candle this is? This is 20, 30, 37 worth of candle or 100 worth of candle. So Trump is speaking right now. Let's listen.
Because it's corrupt. And Jimmy Carter, when he had a commission, frankly, I think it's probably the best thing Jimmy Carter did.
Activated any sleeper cells inside the U.S. There's reports that they have pressed that trigger button to activate those cells, at least abroad.
Well, they've been trying for a long time. We've been very much on top of it. One of the things we have to do is get the Democrats to stop the Democrat shutdown, because, as you know, the apparatus that looks into that,
I think this is the old news.
Democrats have shut it down, which tells you they probably hate our country a lot. But the Democrats have to open that up.
His objectives in this war.
Okay, so we are listening to the news now.
Nothing. The president
I think the market might go up.
trying to cover his tracks on a strategic failure, claiming that there is regime change because we've replaced an 86-year-old terrorist hardliner with a 56-year-old terrorist hardliner, claiming that somehow Iran has been deterred from ballistic or nuclear power projection. Meanwhile, he's frantically dialing 911 in the form of paratroopers and the Marine Expeditionary Units. And what Congress needs to do.
Why is commodity market not open today? Just because we have Good Friday doesn't make any sense.
Deployment of ground forces on any of the islands or the shoreline around the Strait of Hormuz. Because if this president deploys these Marines or paratroopers to seize these islands, they'll take them. But then after 15 to 30 days, they're going to need reinforcement and resupply. And we are in a boots on the ground quagmire for the third. Exhausted by these failed forever wars. They don't want them. They want us investing here in the United States. They want us working with our allies. And instead, this president is berating NATO, making it weaker, and he's strengthening our adversaries in China, Russia, and Iran.
So now we have just
on this Thursday night. We do appreciate you being with us. Thank you very much. Ahead for us, we have more of CNN's exclusive new reporting that Iran still does have significant missile and drone capability despite weeks of heavy U.S. and Israeli attacks.
I think I think this market will go down.
Tonight that despite more than a month of intense U.S. and Israeli attacks
So
on
let's
military targets,
see how it
an
goes
assessment by U.S. intelligence
and which
maintains
fair value
about
we end up
half
using
of Iran's
to
missile
enter
launchers
into
are
the
still
markets.
intact, and it still has an arsenal
And if
of
we are able
thousands
to
of attack
recover
drones,
the
that is according to
losses
multiple
from the
sources.
yesterday.
We're joined now by David Sanger, White House and National Security Correspondent for the New York Times, National Security Analyst Alex Plitzis, and Director of the
Where is Trunk
Counterterrorism Program
speaking
at the
live?
Atlantic Council. Oh, that's what Alex does. Also, Megan O'Sullivan. The difference between a comma and a period is really important. Megan O'Sullivan, Professor of International Affairs at Harvard.
So the state of Hormuz news from the Trump was a failure, just a lie. What can we expect? The things could have been more better. Should have been more better. Well, the way we don't have any entry here, we have to wait. Let's look at MES. By the way, what? Let's add YM as well. MYM. Mm, I think this is an expired contract. MYM. It's What is this? Uh-huh. MYMUGH MYN March. This is March contract. This is must be the June contract. Let's hold over to this. I think this is worse than the current one. MYM. Let's go with we are M on all, so let's go on M is on this as well. Let's see. So we did not touch the this level on MYM on MES. We didn't touch this level as well, and on MNQ we had a big run up. And you touch this breaker all the way up here. I don't anticipate any kind of return back to the opening price right now. I think this is the time of expansion. Let's look at daily time frame. Let's rate everything from this chart. Let's rate them. So yesterday we had this week. I think the market can go all the way up to here today. Maybe. I'm just saying maybe, but I don't think there is any chance of market going up right now. We are in this fair value gap right now. Let's grade it with quadrants. We also have this fair value gap. After that, I think the market might go to touch this fair value gap down. This daily fair value gap. Let's make it shade of. It was a bullish, right? So let's make it a shade of green. Okay. So now we had this liquidities, major sell side liquidities, which is not swiped, which has yet not been swiped yet. Not on this. Now let's come back at here and see. We are in the fair value gap, daily fair value gap. The market is rejecting from the 75 consequent encroachment. We are good to go short. Now we just need a model that we can rely on for our shorts. It was a very good and pleasant day if the gold market was open. But let's see how it goes. I was about to start here if we had a candle closer below on this discount weeks 50% consequent encroachment another candle closer, then I was going to sort this to the low side, but the market can go up as well. But I am bearish for the session. I think the market should go to touch the yearly fair value gap and below, and then come up if it wants to go up. But if it does not want to come up and go down to clear the relative equal lows, then you know what will happen. But the market is accumulating orders here, so it is most probably is going to take clear the liquidities before going down. Let's look at MYM. The MYM is creating another way of liquidity. Why is this so? So it's not about the contract, it's just because of session there is so much volume balance. MES is the same, NQ the same. Every market is going the same. We are now it's morning time, it's Friday. I want to recover my losses on my funded account, but I don't want to do something stupid as well. Let's see if we take a trade from here, then what will be our SL and TP. Let's see entries here. Stop loss is all the way up to here. $100 of stop loss against $1,000 of TP. One just suggest $1,000 for the day. I mean for the session. I am willing to take this trade. Uh, just let this keep this a little bit up. Okay, so let's take this trade and see if we can get filled in and get a winning trade. This is 1 is to 10 RR. By the way, yesterday we lost like 1 is to 20 RR. High, low, higher, high, lower, low. The lower low is confirmed here. So this inversion fair value gap has been utilized. So we cannot say that this inversion fair value gap will become retested. We have tons of liquidity below. The market should be going down. This candle is totally illogical candle. We are coming up, which is cool in a way, but I'm actually taking this trade on Nest my what I say MT5 as well, the funded account on 10k, which is in $40 since. So just wait for our entry. I am also suspecting a kind of a big candle up that will take our stop loss, but just $100 of stop loss is nothing bad. I think we will not have any New York session today because of Good Friday. You could have this market structure shift and inversion as well. Let me show you market structure shift here. This is break of structure, and this could be market structure shift. But I want this entry and this TP. I think this was during, no, this was not during any kind of, does this, so this was during an macro time frame that we have just ended right now. Let's come here now to this exit and entry. $200 is too much to lose on a trade. Let's see if we get filled in or not. Let's look at other assets. MES is going down as well. MYM has no volume. MNQ is our only hope. I think we should have waited for the market to come back and touch this breaker. I think, but yet just $78 of loss. I can afford another loss today, and we know that we will just. Uh, Actually, I'm thinking like trading about like some YouTuber, but I'm not going to trade like him. His risk to reward ratio is awkward, like 1:2, just 1:2 risk to reward ratio trades he takes, and I don't like that. Tharam Village, I just joined because we are looking for the same trade. Okay, XD, but I don't know if it's going to be OB. Welcome Thermovilla, welcome in the chat. So you are also looking for the sort on NQ. So let's see how it goes. By the way, like the stream if you haven't liked the stream. So we are filled in, and now let's see if we get to back to this breaker or we reject from here. Well, I am in drawdown of $900 right now, and let's create this fair value gap with some grayish color. Now let's see if the market is in our favor or not. The original trade was from here and stop loss above the high, and exit was just here somewhere, but now I am exiting here with some another liquidity. I think this fair value gap has come down to this level. This is going to be a very uncertain trade, a trade taken out of fear, but according to the model, so that's a surety that the market can go down. But what do you mean? What if the market is not? If you don't know if it's going to go to the OB, you mean this order block? Well, we had a change in state of delivery here, as well as market structure shift with application of inversion fair value gaps. So I took this entry. The market can come back still to up to there here, up to this order block. So just as rest assured, if it's your model, just stay with your model. No need to rush into this trade. I might lose this trade. Who knows? See, I am in account summary. Total PNL is or today's it only says today's PNL. I can't show yesterday's PNL. That I mean 100 900 hertz drawdown. I don't have market. I've been trading with premium. That's why it's not showing the candlestick in real time. We have come back again. We shouldn't have come back again to touch the inversion fair value gap, but we did. That's a bad indication of the market to not go lower. Now we just wait for some kind of news from the Trump that can drive the market lower, as the state of Hormuz news was a false news. So we should be going lower now. Not now, but today we should be going expanding lower to the lower side. And I think it's 11:21, and the time of expansion has come, but it can expand after going to the OB. Nothing is sure. The market is always uncertain. We are getting green candles back to back. This is third green candle. This fair value gap is resisting the prices from going lower. This was an impulsive move, like a $40 40 handle candle. The market is being so nasty here. So we touch the breaker and the inversion fair value gap again. So it went above the inversion fair value gap now. After this candle, I thought the market will go down, but the one thing that I want to show is say that is, if you lose a trade, just don't go impulsive and take another trade in the hope that you will get the take profit, because your RR will be again the same. You will have small stop loss and big TP, but and then you will have small loss again, and all the small losses will add up into big loss. And again, whenever you trade, you will have a big TP, just like I have right now, and that can trigger a sequence of stop losses which will end up in a big, very big drawdown. So we went lower than this. That is a good sign, as I say, indication. But this fair value gap is trying holding the prices higher. I think if this fair value gap is broken, then that will be a very big move, and there will be a very big move to the lower side. But for that, we have to wait for this fair value gap to break down, or we have to wait for a candle below this. Below, I think we are in a channel right now. I don't want to be stuck in a channel like this channel, because this channel will end up in a move to the upside, taking out all the stop losses, and I will be part of that, and I don't want to be part of this kind of channel. I want the market to melt down just now, or I want to see that the market melt down. This is a liquidity for the later session, not for today, not for the session. Mhm. don't want a channel here like this channel is forming. We want to shift down into this fair value gap. Let's look at other assets. YM is totally volumeless. MES is also returning from this inversion fair value gap. And we have an SMT with, is there an SMT? No, there is no SMT at all. We are just uncertain right now. We are sitting at 1 is to 1 trade. We have taken an 1 is to 14 trade. That is crazy, crazy, crazy. That's the beauty of Asia session. You can take crazy kind of trade and it can be a winning trade. We are about to end this 30 minutes candle in 3 minutes. Like 2 minutes more to this 30 minutes candle, and let's see how the 30-minute candle is forming. It's forming, it wants to go lower, but this fair value gap is resisting from it to go lower. So we should be good and we should be good to go lower from the next 30 minutes candle. Let's look at 15 minutes. 15 minutes says that there is an this, let me show you something. This premium week, the market rejected just from the 25% of the level. The market has one more minute to, well, the market has penetrated the inversion this fair value gap, so that is a good news for us for the next 30 minutes candle to go lower. Let me start some music. I hope you are able to listen to the music as well, and and to my voice as well. I hope both the music and my voice is audible properly. I hope. encroachment, and we want the market to go lower from here on. I'm not taking any partials till we hit the full TP, and that's my intention with this trade. I want the full take profit, and that is not too low right now. That is 173, 24 173. It is 24.99. It's, I know it is a very big move to cover, but I'm sure the market will cover this move slowly, but it will cover the move slowly but surely. I will stay here till the 1 p.m. Eastern timing. That would be AM 1 a.m. Eastern timing. We have a big fall right now. That's a good candle. I'm on this same kind of trade on my MT5 as well, the funded account, and I will be break even and will get in some profits. I will update you on the X with my wealth or a funded account. It's like $28 in profit in my CFD account. We have infiltrated the consequent encroachment of this BC. All the time I am in just one thought that I will mistake the BC for CB and CB for BC in saying, in speaking, while what I say, what it said say, while I am uh, hosting this live stage, and that will be an awkward movement. We are $40 in drawdown on my funded account, and right now we are in $26 in profit. We just need 20 more dollars to break even, then all that will be left will be my TP, that is my profits, and I'm aiming for $234. Let's aim for $240, in so that way I'm in $200 in profit. Should I send my MT5 as well? I think I should, but let me wait for a while. Okay, let me share my MT5 as well. How do I do this? Let's view app, open here. Let me share my MT5 as well. We are in kind of two different trades on both the apps. I'm in both the brokers. I took a uh, trade from here on my Why is it not? Yes, it is. Let me share my screen. Go silent on this. It's the second day of trading, and I am above the break even now. Let's start the phone group. Phone connect to viewcast. Here it is. Let me show you. I'm 241. I am targeting for $241. So if I get a TP, then my I hope you can see I will be break even. Right now I am break even in my trade. I will be break even plus $200 in profit on second day of funded account. I need to trade 15 days this funded account to get a to request a payout. So I will trade 15 days. I will also trade on weekends on BTC, and let's see how we can perform. There's nothing in the left side, so we should be good to go lower, but the market is rejecting. We are $225 up. Let's see positions. So we are 49 $200. So we are like 1 is to 2 trade. Expecting a fall from here. These should be red as well. We are back to break even on my wealth or a funded account. we have closed the fair value gap, so there is no need to worry. But actually we haven't. The fair value gap should be this, so we still have a little portion of this fair value gap open that we want to be closed, or else this fair value gap will turn out to be a faraway gap to the upside, and we don't want that. Why is this MT5 looks like the MT5 is stuck? Yes, it feels like it has been stuck right now. Let's do this. Yes, it is back now. Come back on 15 minutes time frame. So the entry NSL clear hindsight. It's the last minute of this 5 minutes candle, and we will also close the hourly candle, and we will be in the macro time frame in just 1 minute. The market is showing some upside momentum, but I'm assured that the market will go down. Let's look at hourly time frame. We are at macro time frame right now. Market has taken the buy side liquidity from this ascending channel, ascending triangle kind of pattern, and now the market should go lower. I hope this macro time frame gives us a big move lower, but if it doesn't, then I'm just going to break even right now because there is no point in staying in, having the stop loss above because the market has moved so lower and it has also covered this fair value gap and also given a fairway gap that is a big indication that market can also go up, but it is creating this kind of short squeeze. That means it is taking the buy stops and the market will go lower. And we are also in the macro time frame, so we can expect some big price moves, but macro time does not give all the time big moves. It sometimes and sometimes does not, but most of the times it does. So let's just believe in macro time frame and have faith in my model. The market is showing some upside momentum during the macro time frame, and that is a matter of concern for us. I think I should not look for TPs all the time. We will hit losses, and I have to accept that and move to the next session for the trade, and not just start taking trade at the same session or in the same session. I say we are ending this 5 minutes candle with a big candle up. So we have entered in the new 5 minutes candle, and 5 minutes to the first half of the macro is more left. We expect the prices to go lower from this 5 minutes candle. As I said, we should expect lower prices on this half of 5 minutes candle in the macro time frame. So we will end the half of the macro time frame in this with this 5 minutes candle. Uh, the market took a twist up, turn above the market at the body of this candle and then went up. That's not a good sign for us. We do have this fair value gap here protecting us from going higher. I mean, say defending us from going higher. Let's look at a 1 minute time frame. We are close to 12 p.m. That is the midnight of the USA. Last 2 minutes the macro time frame. Then we will have another 10 minutes of the macro time frame left. The volume has been lowered right now. Last 10 seconds to the hourly candle closer. So we are in the new hour now, and let's see how this prints on the candle price chart. Well, we are at least risk free now on my funded account in Blue Guardian Futures, but we are not risk free in the CFD account. market looks to be printing in the downside. Seems to be, but we are not sure that in what side it will print. We will also trade BTC to complete the 15 days of minimum trading days to get a payout on wealth or a funded account. So we can take a payout on the 15th day. So we are printing in the buy side again. That was a big move, or I said this is a very big move to the upside. So it must have taken out the buy sides from the market. So we will end this 5 minutes candle as well. If we get a bonding counter closer above in this 5 minutes candle, then we are deemed to go up and the market will go to the buy side. Let's wait for 1 minute please. I will just come. The market is going bullish right now and it seems to be just a little bit pullback. We have a breaker here as well. The 5 minutes candle has been invalidated. That is this one. Sorry, 5 minutes BCB has been invalidated. We have changed in state of delivery plus fair value gap plus a breaker and inversion fair value gap. So what is your trading plan for the April? I have one question. My trading plan is to get a payout in April from Wealth or funded and tech and Blue Garden futures as well. I still believe the market can go down here because the liquidity lies below marketplace, not the above. If the market gets back to this breaker, then I will take a short again, which the market is looking like to go to. Let's look at hourly candle. We are seeing an let's little bit up the bias our buy stop. 3 more minutes to this macro time frame. The good thing is that we have closed inside this hourly time frame, uh, basic fair value gap, which means the market is good to go lower side, low side. That's why I'm holding this trade on 15 minutes time frame as well. We are inside this fair value gap. We were inside this fair value gap and we have closed below many times, and the liquidity lies below as well. On 5 minutes time frame, we have broken below this fair value gap but failed to give a body candle closure. That's what making this impulsive moves to the higher side. I will be streaming for 1 more hour. Well, the macro time frame has ended with no significant moves to the downside, but it uh, took us in the drawdown from our profitable going trade. Now let's see how the trade will go further. There's a lot of geopolitical tensions as well, so I think that can affect the market in bad way of the technical analysis. If this was it wasn't fair value gap, then this is the lowest hanging fruit objective to take and go out. This is also 1:2 kind of 5 trade or something. We are aiming for 1:14, and that's a good, and that's a very big objective. So we have to have patience. market is squeezing right now, so you can see it is squeezing, which means it is preparing for a big move either to the upside or lower side, and there and it's uncertain that the move will be in either side. So well, the move turned out to be in the upside, so we might get stopped out. We literally don't have any kind of volatility including the SES session here. Well, I will stay here for one more hour, then I will close the stream. As I had said, the market is preparing for a big move, but I didn't anticipate the move to be in the upper side. Well, we do have this breakaway or faraway gap that says the market will do an upside move. Market might be coming back to this breaker, so we are stopped out with a profit of $21. Let's look at MES. We don't have gold to trade today, and that is a very big bad scenario right now. We are inside a breaker right now. I will take this target trade out the short side again from this breaker if it comes back to this. If we get a body candle close below this, then we will have another short scenario. So let's just wait for the next setup now. We might get stopped out on the CFD account as well. Well, this is the time when you need to have patience and not enter into a trade again. This is the times when you feel like I have just uh, got stopped out in a winning trade. Let's enter again. Let's enter again. And that's exactly what you should not do right now. You should wait for the next setup and then take a trade, because the market is full of setups either today or the next day or the coming day, but you must take it. But you must take it. The losses, you must take it. If you don't take the losses, there is no way you are going to take the wins. Now we are waiting for a body candle closer below this low, and then we will take a trade to the low side. That just this marking. This fair value gap still holds here. Let's see if we get a body candle closer below this low, then what will be our stop loss and TP. Our stop loss will be this high, that is 155, or let's say 130 in losses, and our TP will come all the way down here, that is $1500 in profit, or just here. I will go for this, definitely $1500 in profit. We can do $1500 a day in 3 sessions. We can surely do $1500 a day, but first we need a body candle closer below this. Yeah, the market is really dead. Literally dead right now. In what I am right now, I am very regretting is that not taking profit on the break even and the CFD account. I could have gone break even. The market is still going up. That's a bad sign for us. so we can get a trade now. Let's see. Just wait for a body candle closer. We will use this inversion fair value gap. This one looks high grade inversion fair value gap because it has resisted the prices up before as well. So if we can get a body candle closer below this, that would be very nice. Should I jump into this trade? Nah, do not jump into any trade, bacha. Patience, because patience is the key. I can't be talking for like hours now. Ayyo, ayyo, ayyo. What is going on? Why is the market so slow? Why is gold not trading today? Because Good Friday, gold should be 24 by 7 market. So the market is going up again. That's why I said wait for a body candle closer for a confirmation better to go to the low side. We will close this 30 minutes candle in just 2 minutes. boom 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 tick 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 boom 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 tick 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 boom 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 tick 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 boom 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 boom. Tick 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 boom 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 boom. We just need to come down here. Your body candle flows below this. We might get a body candle closer now. Might, because this is new 30 minutes candle. Phew. Such a consolidation. It's too much. It is Good Friday, right? But I don't know what is good about this Friday. Why is the gold market not open today? Why is the gold market not open today? Did the market deliver its TP? No, it does not. I'm again asking, why is the gold market not open today? Yes, every market is like volumeless right now. We need just one body candle closer below. Let's see if we enter just with a body candle closer. How much of stop loss we have to give? We have to give like $200 of stop loss. That's very big. But if we enter here, it's just $160 of stop loss, and we will go for this liquidity or some other liquidity. This one. We still don't have a body candle closer. So we do have a body candle closer now. Maybe we might get a body candle closer now. If we do, then we will enter here with this volume imbalance. Our stops will go all the way up here. That is $155 of worth of stop loss. But the question still lies: will we get a body candle closer? Because I'm not jumping into any trade right now. After waiting for so long, I'm not jumping into any trade. What happened to risk to reward ratio, man? Just one body candle closer and we will enter into this sort. Of course with a limit entry. So we have taken a limit entry now. Now it's just matter of time to see if we get filled in or not. Our RR is very big, more than 1 is to 10 RR, or I think it is 10 RR or something. Yes, this is about 1 is to 10 RR. And I will close this stream in just 20 minutes. I just want to be filled in right now into this trade. But I know even if I don't get filled in, I will get more opportunities later. So we are break even back to break even in our CFD account. Now we are looking for another $200 of profit. Now I'm regretting hitting stop loss out on our futures account, but it's okay. At least we are going good in one account. I think we will be picking some volume right now. We are because we are back in like we are back in macro time frame. The market could use this fair value gap as well to go lower during the macro time frame. What happens if we move our entry to here? We get $1,300 in profit, but the stop loss increases by a lot. I mean, really a lot. So we have taken out this fair value gap now. Hello Sumant, how are you? Welcome on the stream. By the way, the stream is about to end. In just 15 minutes. We will have macro time frame in 5 minutes. This is minus IFBG. We are currently trading inside a minus inversion fair value gap. And I'm not expecting this inversion fair value gap to be respected. I want the market to go all the way up to this inversion fair value gap, because the market has yet not mitigated this inversion fair value gap yet. And my decision was right not to take this trade with this inversion fair value gap. We are going all the way up, so we are filled in. We got filled in into our inversion fair value gap model, and now let's see how the market will print. We are 3 minutes away from the macro time frame. Our TP is all the way down here with $1,500 in TP and $150 in stop loss. Actually, I was in a trade above here, which got stopped out in break even of $20, and right now we are in this another trade. Let's see how the market performs. We will have new hourly candle in just 12 minutes, and we will have a macro time frame in 2 minutes. So I hope this macro time frame is used by this inversion fair value gap to drive the prices lower. Jake Nudes, hello Jake Nudes, how are you? Welcome on the stream. Well, you are here for like second or third time, right? And I'm very happy that you are here. Well, am I audible, or or the music is more than my voice? This is a bad candle. We will be in a macro time frame in just 45 seconds, and I'm hoping this inversion fair value gap uses the macro time frame to drive the prices lower to the liquidities below, or may the market have some other plans for the day, because state of Hormuz news was false, as much as I know by the YouTube. Okay, you think you will enter now? So what is your where are you going to enter, long or short? My TP is all the way at 24,101. Are you going long or short? Nudes, nudes. Would I say nudes? I think nudes is okay. Like Dragon Ball Z. It's not Dragon Ball Z. It's Dragon Ball Z. So it should be nudes, nudes, not nudes Z. It's nudes, right? Nudes. And I'm sorry if I'm hurting you. Okay, brother, go for the short. Manage your risk properly and enter the short. Stay in good risk management. My risk is only like $130 for a profit of $115. That is $5. That is $1,500, not 150. That is $1,500 is profit. And it is $1,500 profit, and $150 is stop loss. So I'm in a good risk management here on both the accounts. Well, both on my funded accounts. Well, this is also a funded account. The trading view chart you are watching, and the MT5 chart you are watching, that's also a 10k funded account. And the MT and this trading view chart you are watching is, this is 50k funded account. And in this I am in a drawdown of $900 because of the yesterday. I missed the trade that long. I missed just from the bottom. I had taken the trade just from the bottom, but I did break even very soon, and that got me. Or I should have captured the whole $1,000 worth of on this funded account, MT5 funded account. Well, this is the second day of trading on Wealth or a funded account, and we need 15 trading days to make a withdrawal. So let's see how it goes. Okay, let's see, Sumant, if the trade hits TP. So let's pray together that the trade hits TP. Well, I will come in just 1 minute, please. I need to grab a better water bottle. Well, I'm back. Well, which account are you trading with this? Uh, that you will pass. My viewcast got disconnected. Let me connect it again. How is the trade going? The trade is going quite a bit in our favor, but it is still not giving the impulsive moves that I am expecting. My MT5 has got disconnected, so I am trying to connect it again. Share my screen, start now. Okay, the screen has begun to share. Now I need to set it up on the viewcast. I think it's visible now. Is it visible now, my MT5 screen on the left side of the chart? 5 more minutes to this hourly candle closer. My TP is like very big. It's 74 handles. It's not big at all. It's like workable, like it's doable for the market. 75 handles. We have accumulated here. We have accumulated here. We have accumulated here. Then we went for this, I think, manipulation. Then we went up again for a second stage manipulation. Then we are accumulating here as well. The market should give a big move right now. 3 more minutes till the macro time frame and hourly candle. The macro time frame will continue uh, well far above that. 3 minutes. We will close the hourly candle. We are just sticked here and we are not going either upside or downside. We should have been going lower by now. Let's see how the next hourly candle will print on the price chart, which it's just 2 minutes for that. Well, this fair value gap is resisting the prices from going lower. Let's give it a gray color. Wait a minute, please. My father is calling. Well, I'm back now to the commentary. Tell me, Sumant, which account are you trading right now? Sumant, which account are you trading right now? Is it DFT or any futures account? we have been going slowly but surely down. Also, Eval, I am trading over top one elite daily. Top one elite daily, what's that? Well, I don't know about that, but I hope that's a good account. And you are in evaluation phase. Top one, is it top one futures? Top one trader futures? The Jake Nudes. Well, if you haven't liked the stream, please like the stream and subscribe to the channel. And I think I will stay till the London session as well because there is no New York session today, as much as I know, because this is Good Friday and the market should go for a retracement to the lower side as well today. So the retracements would happen before the New York session, and that is also in our favor. But I'm not saying it will happen right now, but it will happen. The market came back to our entry. Market came back to this breaker. Breaker short candle and started to reject from the consequent encroachment. That's a good sign. Market came in, went to the inversion fair value gap, left the inversion and breaker both, then went came again and touched the just rejected from the breaker short. The most sensitive candle of this breaker is this one. So let's see if this one is respected and the market will go down. I want this breaker short to be respected because this is the most sensitive candle in the breaker and it should be used to drive the prices lower according to my knowledge. The market is being little volatile right now. The volatility is picking up. We are in the new hourly candle. So 1 2, the market opened from here. It went came down and went up. So it gave up a. So this is the wick of the hourly candle. I hope it does not go up. So this breaker is totally invalidated. Now we are all on this inversion fair value gap. Well, this candle did not go body candle close below this fair value gap. That was a bad sign for us. But right now, if we get we have also have another inversion fair value gap against our trade. That is to the upside. The market is totally like jagged right now. I think I think we are good because we had a very big resistance here. This fair value gap had resisted the prices up qualified very well. So it should be used to resist the prices lower as well. but I'm not seeing that here playing out. So we are stopped out. So we are stopped out of our trade for the first time. So let's see what's our loss. Minus $172. So we are stopped out in both our trades. So here we lost $17. Here we lose $170. Let's do this. This inversion fair value gap was our first trade. The market came back to it. So I am closing this stream right now. Well, Jake, I am using Blue Guardian futures. So that's it. That is it. I trade macros this time with proper and defined risk management. I think I should not be trading for the day anymore. The daily candle is going to be bearish, I think. Yep, the daily candle is going to be bearish. So I want to enter a short again, but not right now. This is an inversion fair value gap as well. The first I had entered here got stopped out here. Then I entered with this inversion fair value gap, stopped out here, and I want to wait for no London session. So bye bye. See you on Monday, brother. Okay, see you on Monday as well.